Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to disable read-only mode in Excel. Step 1. Open the file. First, open the Excel file. It will ask for the password to open. Enter the password, for example 123, and click OK. Next, it will ask for the password to modify. If you want to edit the file, enter the password, for example 12345, and click OK. Step 2. Remove read-only settings. Now go to the File tab. Click on Save As and choose your location. Click on Tools, then select General Options. In this box, remove the password to open, remove the password to modify, untick Read Only Recommended. Now click OK. Step 3. Save the file. Click Save. You can keep the same file name. Result. Now, when you close and reopen the file, it will no longer ask for any passwords and the file will open in normal editable mode. And that's how you disable read-only mode in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.